the restaurant. Come on then, Bo, let's go. Let's go have a look at what we got for dinner. Let's go over to the meat section.
But we got to get
First, let's have a look.
pizza.
First, let's have a look at the meat. Rice. Jackets, looking lovely. Dal. Fish.
Where?
Meat. Yeah, that's fish, yeah.
Oh.
How you doing this?
Hey.
You alright? Yeah, do you want some sauce with your fish?
I'll put a bit, just put a bit on one of them.
I'll put it on the side. That way, yeah. Take yourself a lemon to squeeze on the fish.
Yeah.
Come on in, let's have a look. What else would you like? Here we have pakore, but vegetable. You want them?
No.
Okay. That's seafood. And then the desserts. And then the salad.